Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to show you my everyday makeup routine using some more affordable products. I'm going to start off with foundation. Now for concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. This is my favorite. It's not too expensive, but it definitely lasts a long time. I love it. To set underneath my eyes, I'm using this banana powder by Makeup Revolution. And to set my foundation, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. My favorite bronzer is the NYX Matte Bronzer in Deep Tan. I love it for contouring and just warming up your skin tone. The Milani Baked Blushes are my favorite from the drugstore, and they're so pigmented. And my favorite part is highlight. This one is so gorgeous. Yes! And I'm applying this on my cheekbones, my nose, the inner part of my eye, and also my brow bone. And for my eyebrows, I'm using the Anastasia Brow Pomade, and I also mix two eyeshadows together, and I'll show you that palette in a second, but I'm not going too detailed into my eyebrow routine, but if you would like that, just leave it in the comments below. I used two mascaras. This is the first one, and this is the second one, the L'Oreal. And I love this combo together. They make my lashes super long. Thank you so much for watching again. I'm so excited to be doing more videos, and don't forget to subscribe and like it if you enjoyed, and I'll see you later.